Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the Samsung A03 and checking Android details so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, remove the USB cable and stop any file transfers. That prevents pop-ups while you change settings. Now open Settings, tap Notifications, and scan for connected device or system notifications. You do this because notification routing differs by Android build. Changing notification channels here lets you suppress the specific USB connector alert without altering system functions. Once in Notifications, tap See All or Advanced to reveal system-level apps. You need access to Android System or System UI. Then open that app's notification channels and look for labels like USB, connected device, or external storage. You must edit that specific channel because toggling the whole Android system would silence critical alerts. Tap the USB channel, then choose Block or Turn off importance. This stops the persistent connector notification while keeping other system alerts intact. You're near the finish. Reconnect the cable briefly to confirm the USB connector notification no longer appears. If it still shows, restart the phone to apply the change and recheck the specific notification channel. System caches sometimes delay updates. If problems persist, clear the System UI cache in Settings Apps, show System Apps System UI Storage Clear Cache, or install Pending System Updates. Those steps resolve stubborn notification behavior caused by old firmware or cached settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.